Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. This is a box of 2012-2013 Rookie Anthology. It's break number 2. That's how we listed it. And here's the last team sold. Washington Capitals. Sold at 1916 on September 23rd. Okay, and the eBay time is 1939 Eastern and 1634 Pacific. Okay. Let me get straightened around here. Okay, here's our list of the winners tonight. A couple of you jumped right up there and got a whole bunch of teams. That's great. Appreciate that. A lot of new names I see. I see Strickland family. I talked to him before. I believe Chris Blue, I think, is new, and he bought a whack of teams. And we've got a few of the normal. Aaron on too with his New York Rangers. And also Kyle Edwards 420. Bought a bunch. So it's break number 2, and it is serial number that one. So here's the box. And the serial number is 190591055 as listed. So without further ado, we'll get right to it, and good luck everybody. The Bruin game on right now on TV. I don't know why I'm doing this, but oh well. Leachik was just in a big fight also, so that was good to see. Empty box. Okay, here we go. Again, good luck everyone. Cards will be shipping later this week. I'm only shipping out once for the week now. So we got Timo Salami, Cup Contenders, and that is $5.92 out of $6.99 or $9.99 rather, and that goes to the Ducks. So the Ducks get the first hit. Spacer. The card was out of whack, all bent up. And for the Minnesota Wild, we got Jason Zucker, Elite Rookie, and that is $9.55 out of $9.99. Jason Zucker, Minnesota Wild. And for the Philadelphia Flyers, we've got Chris Pronger, Tough Defenders, or Towering Defenders rather. I guess he was a tough defender too. And that, I don't believe, is numbered. No number, but for Philly. Well, I hope to see this many of you in my next break that's happening in another half hour or so. Hopefully you'll be there. Okay, so for the Coyotes, we've got an Elite Rookies of Matt Watkins, and that is numbered 435 of $9.99. And that's for the New York Islanders, not for the Coyotes. He's wearing a Coyote jersey, and we've got Andrew Jodry for the Blue Jackets, the rookie treasures, very nice. 38 out of 499, and again that's Columbus. That's what this stuff just throws you right off. It's this and the Prime. God, I thought I was getting some good Prime hits there. Some of the Boston guys, Max Sauve and McDermott, but they got the Boston jersey and the Boston patch, but Dallas and Chicago they went to. So anyway, there's our intensity card, and it is none other than Gordie Howe. 248 out of 500, and that's of course for Detroit. Nice. And for the Chicago Blackhawks, we got Andrew Shaw, metallic marks, bronze. Those are not numbered, but nice auto on it. A couple of Rangers going there. And for the Carolina Hurricanes, we got Eric Stahl, Hart Contenders. That is number 379 out of 999. Eric Stahl. For the Edmonton Oilers, we've got Ben Eager, and that's stuck to it. That's a game-worn gear. So Ben Eager, Edmonton Oilers, and 3 packs left, plus the Prism. And for the Florida Panthers, Evgeny Dadonov, game-worn gear. You decide what his name is. And that's for the Panthers. Can't wait till the regular hockey gets on. This preseason stuff's alright, but you want to see the real stuff for sure. And for the Nashville Predators, we've got Chet Picard. Nice. This is 7 out of 10. Titanium rookie. I guess that's gold or whatever. That's for Nashville. Very nice card out of 10. Congratulations to Nashville. BB_Poo84. Congratulations. And last pack. I think we should have saved that one for last. That would have been the best for last maybe, but you never know. And we've got Tuukka Rask for the Boston Bruins. Vezina Contenders. And that is $9.59 out of $9.99. Took. Oh my, it's been one of those days. And now for the Prism. Hopefully we didn't get hits for the regular. We'll get it for the Prism. Okay, so we've got Timo Salami again. Salami. Those are not numbered. That's for the Ducks. And Henrik Lundqvist for the Rangers. And the rookie is Riley Sheehan for the Red Wings. Okay, that's it. Let's quickly go through them here again. So we've got Detroit, Riley Sheehan. New York, Henrik Lundqvist. Anaheim, Timo Salami. Boston, Tim Thomas, yeah. Tuukka Rask, Chet Picard for Nashville. Evgeny Dadonov for Florida. Ben Eager for the Oilers. Eric Stahl for the Carolina Hurricanes. And we've got Andrew Shaw for the Chicago Blackhawks. Also we have Gordie Howe for the Blackhawks. And we have Andrew Jodry for the Blue Jackets. And we have Matt Watkins, but it goes to the New York Islanders. And we've got Chris Pronger for Philly. Jason Zucker for the Wild. And that Slammy guy again for the Ducks. Okay, thanks a lot. Hope to see you in the next one.